Alright guys, day 11 of my YouTube channel getting hacked, and actually I have some good news. I did and was able to recover my email. I just got an email from Google right now saying reset your password to Patrick Levar, and I was like, what? Like, excited, and immediately signed into my password. Believe it or not, all my emails were there. None of the emails were been touched. It's been like they didn't even go into the account. But unfortunately for the YouTube page, it is still suspended, right? Because of the activity they were doing on that. So the next step here is basically I probably need to reach back out to YouTube and let them know I do have access to my account again. I think they are aware of that because of the email processing. Like, I did get an email, which was it 2 or 3 days ago, from Google saying that they were processing the email and looking into the account. So, and that was forwarded from YouTube. So we'll see from there. So next I just need to figure out how to get the channel reactivated or unsuspended. So, and then we'll find out from there if all the videos and stuff are still there. So, but got the email back, which is, you know, another step up to the world, back to the way to recovery. So day 11, still in this vlog. Patrick Levar, keep filming, keep safe. Peace.